So we've spent the last year talking to our community deeply about how AI can transform their workflows. How do we take the tedium out of the editing process so that they can focus on the creativity and the actual creative editing that they love to do? And so we've identified four initial areas that we want to help support our editors with using Gen AI. So the first is object removal. So with object removal, you can simply use smart masking inside of Premiere Pro to highlight an object that needs to be removed and then remove it. Additionally, you might be on an interview for a documentary film and you realize, hey, I need to update the background of this set. I don't like the way that it is looking now that I'm in post. So with Object Addition, you can add things like paintings behind the scene, vases on desks, all that type of thing. As well, generative extend. So one of the common challenges that editors face is they don't have quite enough footage to land their edit right on the beat of a music or end the imagery along with the dialogue. So generative extend is using content from your existing frames in the clip to extend just a few seconds to make sure that your edit sings. Lastly, B-roll. We all know that the content that we film on set is never enough to deliver the final product, and we need B-roll, right? So today you can search for stock content, text to B-roll. You just simply input a text prompt and get out a few seconds of B-roll that you need to make that perfect edit. One other thing that's really exciting is that all of this is commercially safe. Adobe is very much committed to making sure that its Firefly family of models, of AI models, is trained only on our own licensed stock content that stock creators license to Adobe, as well as public content where the copyright is expired and there's no challenges with existing trademarks, logos, any copyrights, etc. So the models are trained only on that safe content, making them commercially safe to be used in all sorts of applications. And we intend to, for everything that's going through Adobe's tools, attach content credentials. Content credentials are like nutrition labels. They tell you things like, was Gen AI used in this piece of media? Was it fully generated or partially generated or amended with Gen AI? And what model was used to train it? And while our models at Adobe, we intend to make commercially safe, all the content from other models that's going through our set of tools, we will attach content credentials to them to be very transparent. But we are making no claims about the commercial safety of those third-party models. We are driving transparency in the ecosystem through the attachment of content credentials. Teams are very hard at work. Everything that you saw in that video, all the footage is live from the models that we have in development right now, and teams are working hard to bring it to you in 2024.